What?
Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Sean Misa and welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are surviving out there and doing okay during this crazy time. I know it's a little bit tough, but you know what? We're surviving, we can get through this. So while being stuck in a house, it might be a good time to practice or develop new skills. That way, once we get released, we're ready to take some amazing new photos. For today's video, this was actually brought up to me by my cousin Jed. So thanks Jed for asking this question. If you see my Instagram, by the way, I'll go ahead and leave a link down here below, somewhere here. You may have seen my Life in Motion series taken while I was in Japan. So these are super easy to do and easy enough to practice at home with some simple objects you have laying around. All right, let's just get right into it. So the first thing what we want to do is adjust the shutter speed. Now, if you need a refresher, click the link right up here to watch my video about what it is and how it works. If we have the shutter speed really high, what will happen if we try to take a motion tracking photo is we'll have a super crisp photo of the subject and the background. Since what we want is the background to have a little bit of blur, what we'll want to do is have a slightly slower shutter speed. So for this, you want to experiment depending on your environment and how much motion blur you want in your background. All right, got my camera and my subject. So for mine, what I'm gonna do is set my shutter speed to 1/10, my f-stop at 4.0, and my ISO at 800. Another tip is I like to take multiple photos to see what background might work best. Or, also which one is gonna come out the clearest. Because when you're spinning or when you're actually tracking a subject in the real world, you're not gonna always nail it on the first try. So I like to go ahead and put my camera in burst mode, so that way I have a couple photos I can choose from. So I'll go ahead and turn on burst mode. So once I got all my settings, I'm gonna hold my orange at about arm's length, and then I'm gonna hold my camera out, make sure I focus on the orange, and then just start spinning and then start taking the photos. And the nice thing about this one is you can also choose how fast you want to spin depending on how much blur you want in the background. All right, let's go ahead and check out these photos. Once it's done. Ooh, oops. Okay. Yeah, so some of these photos were a little bit blurry, but you know what? I'll go ahead and show you my favorite one. Ooh. Okay, I like that one. I'll go ahead and display this one. All right, so this is my photo unedited, and now this is my photo with my Lightroom preset that I made. Oh, that looks so good. I like that one. So there's many different types of uses that you can use this for. Go ahead and play around with it. Explore. Actually, not yet. Wait a couple weeks. Yeah. Practice at home. Go ahead, grab an orange, grab an apple, a fork, spoon, knife, something. You got something around your house. I'm pretty sure you got something you can hold at arm's length. Whoa! Ooh, I almost dropped that orange. Okay. And that's all there is. I told you it was easy. A simple skill you can practice and add to your resume while being stuck in quarantine. So if you have any questions or just want to say hi, drop it in the comment section below. In the next video, I'll be talking about the difference between a crop sensor like what I have on the A6600 and a full sensor like what I have on my Sony a7 III. So be sure to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and be sure to subscribe with the notification bell turned on so you can be notified when the next video comes out. All right, we're done here, so get up and take some spinny photos and experiment with your shutter speed. Be sure that you're staying home and keeping safe. And yes, wash your hands. What are you waiting for? Get up and be curious.